Hello. Last month, the RevenueBot platform introduced several updates, one of which was the addition of CoinRadar Safe and CoinRadar Boost bot start signals. Market correction on February 3rd. On February 3rd, the cryptocurrency market experienced a correction due to news from the US. Some coins dropped significantly in price, but fortunately, the market began to recover the next day. Now, I will show you bot entry points based on CoinRadar Safe signals during this period. Analysis of the last 10 signals on Binance Signals can be found in the marketplace. If they are not yet added to your account, you can find them in the All Available Signals section. These signals are free. Feel free to add them and analyze the trading history yourself. Let's review the 10 most recent signals received by the bot. 1. TON, long. February 4th, 0723. I use a 5-minute time frame. Since the entry point, the coin has grown by 6%. I trade using a single order bot on the spot market with a 10% profit target. For stable results, I recommend setting a 3 to 5% profit target, as bots often quickly lock in profits. Second ATA, February 3rd, 0455. A clear dump and pump pattern is visible on the chart. After entry, the coin first dropped by 17%, then surged by 60%. However, my bot secured only 1% profit as it followed a CoinRadar boost signal. At this moment, the coin has increased by 14%. 3. Pepe, February 3rd, 0405. The purchase was made at 0405 and profit was locked in almost immediately at 10%. The coin spiked 14%, but my bot exited at 10% profit. 4th TRX, February 4th, 0407. After entry, 10% profit was secured in 7 hours. The market had been falling, with this coin dropping 40% before the bot received an entry signal. Then the price increased by 24%. 5th Steam, February 4th, 0354. Entry at 0355, exit with 14% profit. 6. Litecoin, February 4th, 0354. Entry at 0325. CoinRadar Safe triggered at 350. Profit secured, 10% and 1% from different bots. 7. TON, February 4th, 0354. Highly volatile coin with multiple entry points. Entry at 355, the current price is 4.8 ton CoinRadar boost. February 4th, 724. 2 bots entered simultaneously and secured profits. 9. Pepe, short, February 4th, 005. A strong signal. The coin dropped by 8% with a maximum drop of 14% after the signal. 10. CoinRadar Boost, February 3rd, 1745. The bot entered at the peak and then the price changed by 5%. By default, CoinRadar Boost bots have a 1% profit target. Bot configuration recommendations. We have added bot settings for different experience levels. Single order bot for beginners. You can start with an $11 deposit. Spot trading bot with 3 orders uses a 7% grid overlap. Futures trading bot. We recommend a larger overlap, since signals are rare but highly accurate. Settings. 25% overlap, 3% profit target. Minimum trading deposit. $20, but you should have $60 on the exchange for risk management. This setup prevents liquidation in case of a 40% price change in the wrong direction. Thank you for your attention.